Keypad settings, passcode, installer, program, devices, keypad, and scroll to the right. So you're on keypad 1, so go keypad 2, and then where it says no keypad, choose edit, and then scroll through and find the keypad that you have and press save. Then go home. Now it's going to take a minute. So if there's no errors, then your new keypad has worked. So let's clear your errors on the second keypad. Oops. Whatever. Anyways, that's basically it. Then you just want to line the holes in this with the bracket and then push down and mount your keypad. That's it.